We're here at a parking garage here in Birmingham, Alabama. We got Dover. Oh yes, this one has the modded, oh gosh. Jeez. Let's watch these doors close. Bang. Let's go to 8. Stinks in here. Yeah, there's another elevator down there. Watch these doors close. Jesus, fast doors. Good energy. Innovation Bruiser. I mean, it's a nice elevator. I think we're garage number 4. Check the certificate here. Yep, garage number 4. The one that Andrew filmed. Let's watch that again, actually. Okay, why don't we watch the doors close again? Bang. And I guess that is going to be it for me. Here's the other elevator. Here, garage number 4. Here in Birmingham, Alabama. See if
Birmingham parking.
Watch these doors. Blue cab in the back. It's really interesting. 8. Nice elevator. Innovation Bruiser crap. This is parking deck number 4. Air ground. Watch these doors. There goes the elevator.
Slam shut.
Yep. And I guess that is going to be it for me.